Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to stop screen rotation in your iPhone. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to swipe up, click on this lock icon. Okay, after which let us check, open it again. You can see I've actually stopped the screen rotation on your iPhone, as you can see. So guys, that's actually the way you stop screen rotation on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.